This quick video is about how to send a blank text message on iPhone. Okay, first open any browser. For now I open Safari app and open Google and type blank text code. Search and open this link under compat.com. Now just long press here and tap copy. Okay, now close this and open message app and open the chat you want to send blank message. I open this, then here just paste this, then tap send. That's it. Now the blank text message was sent. Yeah, this is how you can send a blank text message on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.